Rob fouls it away, 1-1. Among the great moments here in this booth for me, we've had a lot of visitors. Rob Segedin, along with his wife Robin and his baby in arms. Robinson, they came up to say hello. And then tonight, Clayton Kershaw came up with Ellen and their beautiful daughter. Boy, is she pretty. Callie, who is 2 years old. And they're expecting a boy come November. So it's great to see the players, coaches, umpires, managers that all love it. But boy, when they bring up a newborn or a 2-year-old, that's a thrill.